This video is made in partnership with Adobe. If you're looking for the best software for streamlining document review processes, the smartest document assistant, and the best AI-powered collaboration tool, let me show you how Adobe Acrobat Studio takes your PDF workflows to a whole new level. Hi, I'm Jamie from Teachers Tech. Today we're diving into Adobe Acrobat Studio, the best smart document platform for reviewing and collaborating on multiple PDFs at once. With PDF Spaces and Acrobat AI Assistant, you can chat with your PDFs, use simple prompts to get quick answers and instant summaries, and streamline document approvals faster than ever. Acrobat Studio introduces a new era of Acrobat, combining powerful core tools you get from Acrobat Pro, plus all the AI features to create top platform for batch processing multiple PDF files and streamlining document workflows. Let's start by creating a PDF space. We can drag multiple files in at once, and they can be of different types. They could be Word, Excel, and PDFs. But you can even add more from your cloud storages, from Adobe, Google, or OneDrive. Add a link to a website, paste in text from notes, then go ahead and create your PDF space. And Acrobat organizes them into a conversational knowledge hub. Look at this. I get instant summaries with key insights, and everything is cited so I can make sure I can verify everything and make sure that I trust the responses that I'm getting. I can even go further with the AI assistant down below. I can summarize key themes. And again, in a few seconds, I'm digging further down into the documents, getting the exact information I need. Need to leave feedback, highlights, or thoughts for your team? I can add notes inside space so my team can see context and comments while reviewing. Just simply highlight something that grabs your attention, save to notes. You'll notice on the left-hand side over here, here it is. If I click inside it, I can title it to a different point. I can even delete it, download it as a PDF. If you have something to add from scratch, you can go ahead and create your note and communicate what you need. To further personalize sharing and help focus collaborators, I can even build a custom AI assistant, like an analyst or an instructor, to guide reviewers, making Acrobat Studio the best platform for document approvals and team collaboration. Let's go ahead and create our own. The name I'm going to use is this, Eco Intel. I'm going to describe my assistant, generate instructions. These instructions set the guideline for the assistant, and I'm going to click Save and Apply. Now down below, you see I have Eco Intel right here to use. Let's see how Eco Intel can help analyze sustainability data. Let's ask it this to begin with. Summarize the top 3 sustainability risks mentioned across these reports. Instantly, it gives me a concise breakdown with cited sources and recommendations I can share with the team. I could also ask it to turn it into a short paragraph for our next meeting summary. This makes Acrobat feel less like a viewer and more like a collaborator, one I can actually talk to. And finally, I can securely share the entire PDF space so everyone can review, comment, and work with AI together, perfect for fast, informed decisions. Let's talk about other use cases now. I'm going to create a brand new PDF space right up top here in the right-hand corner. I want to compare different contracts I received. So I'm going to take 2 different ones and drag them in and create a PDF space for them. I always get nervous that I might be missing something in a specific contract, especially if there's something to compare them from. I'm not a lawyer and I don't understand all the terms, and this really helps me out. Right away, I see the summary where I can quickly look at the differences between the 2 different contracts. I have the insights that they're going to give me, cited where I can check everything so I can trust those responses. We have a table side by side that gives me just a quick view to know what's happening. And just like before, I can dig down into these contracts by using the AI assistant, asking specific questions, or using one of the ones that they already have. I like this one, create a checklist of essential clauses to review in employment contracts. Now I have my checklist, and you can see at the different points that they're going to be cited to a specific part of the contract. If you look up top, you can see the different spaces that I created. Here was the first one, and here was the second one. If you close out of any of these, you're going to see in your PDF spaces, they're right here. And when you come back into Adobe Acrobat, you can quickly open up any of the PDF spaces that you were working on before. So if you need the best software for streamlining document review processes, one of the most popular AI for document review, and the smartest document assistant, Adobe Acrobat Studio delivers. Click the link in the description to try Adobe Acrobat Studio and experience the best AI-powered collaboration tool for yourself. Thanks again for Adobe sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one.